Hey guys, welcome back to Faith for Keto Kitchen where we make keto delicious. So today we're going to make something kind of fun and energetic for sure. We're going to make some energy gummies, okay? So I do have a recipe on the website with energy gummies using stevia energy drink, which is of course a little bit healthier, but I'm going to use today the Bang energy drink, and this one has 300 milligrams of caffeine in it, so you'll really get bang for your buck, I guess you could say. And they're not really expensive at all, and a lot of people on keto have been using these Bang energy drinks. My husband uses it on occasion when he's doing an overnight shift, but other than that, they're pretty good. They have sucralose in them and a couple of vitamin C, B, B12 in here, so pretty decent. Not the best thing, but you know what, when you need that energy kick, go for it. So each can has about 2 cups of liquid in it. So what I did was I poured that inside a small pot, and I'm letting it get nice and heated up, okay? So I have it on medium high. I'm going to turn it down a little bit because it's starting to bubble up. Then I took unflavored gelatin. Now I got this at my local store, Kroger's, or if you have a Smith's, or you can get it anywhere. This one comes with 4 1/4 ounce packages. So what I found to get a good texture, I used 1 whole box, which is for the packages, and 1 more package out of another box, which comes up to about 1/4 cup, okay, the unsweetened gelatin. Now you can use unsweetened or sugar-free gelatin, I'm sure, but I like this texture on this one. So what you're gonna do is, once you heat up the energy drink of choice, and if you have an energy drink, whatever flavor you like, some of them have a little coloring in them, some of them don't, okay? This one is pretty much clear, and this flavor is cherry blade lemonade, all right guys? So what I'm gonna do is turn down the liquid, and what you're gonna do is whisk it in really, really well. So you're whisking your unflavored gelatin in. Okay? It may bubble up some because it's the energy drink, so just keep on whisking it really good because you don't want your gelatin to get all clumpy, okay? And we're going to let that whisk, and then whisk it on occasion, let it cook for about 1 minute. Alright, so since it's nice and clear and all the gelatin has dissolved really well, so what we're going to do, since it's cherry lemonade and there's no coloring in this one, I'm going to try a couple drops of food grade edible food coloring. So we'll put about, let's see, about 3 drops in there. Oh yeah, that's pretty. So now it looks more like the cherry lemonade. Really pretty, guys. It got all pink like. Look at that. So cute. It looks pretty. It looks like cherry lemonade. Just for a little bit of eye appeal, guys. All right. Okay, now we're going to pour them into our mold. Here, good. Okay, so we're going to pour it into the mold slowly. See if this works. And you get about 24. If you have a different shape mold, that's fun too. But put it nice and even, and you can always go back in and fill the other cavities up if needed. And be sure, guys, when you do this, to completely dissolve the gelatin, because you want it like, you know, when you make jelly, or sorry, not jelly, but when you make jell-o. Okay, so now I'm going to pop these in the fridge. It should take about an hour or 2, just like when you make jelly. It should take an hour or 2, even longer if you want it to be really solidified. So we're going to do that, and I'm going to show you what our Bang energy drink gummies look like. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back, and the energy gummies have been unmolded. Now mind you, you can use any mold that you like. You can make them small gummies like gummy bears. I don't have a gummy bear mold and I need to get one, but you can make them gummy bear molds, which is really fun to take with you. You can take these to the movies, guys, because they're really sturdy. Look, and when I was unmolding them earlier, some flew off and one bounced off the counter because it's so, so bouncy. Look at that wiggle. But it's just like a gummy. And it can be outside the refrigerator too, so you can carry them with you in a little bag. So I'm going to give one a bite. pretty yummy. Now, depending on what type of energy drink you use, guys, it'll be sweeter or less sweet. This one has like the perfect amount of sweet, but if you have an energy drink that is not as sweet, guys, you can just add a few drops of liquid stevia in the pot when you're cooking it, and then it'll taste whatever flavor or whatever sweetness that you want, okay, guys? But I think they look amazing, especially with a few drops of that food coloring in it. So definitely give this one a try, guys, and use any energy drink you like, a healthier one or one with more caffeine in it if you want, guys. But either way, it's going to be delicious. So I will talk to you guys soon. And if you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, guys, if you want to see more videos like this, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any time I upload the new videos. So I am Rosemarie with Faithful Keto Kitchen. I love you guys. God bless you and have an amazing week. Bye, guys.